Hey there, fellow streamers. Welcome back to our quick tech tutorial channel. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but incredibly useful: how to change the language on Prime Video. Whether you're bilingual, traveling abroad, or just want to switch things up for a fresh experience, this guide will have you sorted in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Amazon Prime Video account. You can do this either on the app on your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV, or through the website on your computer. I'll walk you through both for flexibility. If you're using the mobile app, start by opening the Prime Video app and tapping on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. That's your menu icon. Scroll down and select Settings from the list. Once you're in Settings, look for the Language or Preferred Language option. Tap on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with available languages. Simply select your desired language, like Spanish, French, or any other supported option, and hit Save or Apply. Now, if you're on the website, head to primevideo.com and log in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then choose Account and Settings from the drop-down. Under the Your Account section, find Language Settings or something similar. It might be listed under Preferences. Select your new language from the choices available and confirm the changes. Easy peasy. One quick tip: changes might take a moment to apply, and remember, this only affects the app's interface and subtitles, not the audio of every video. Some content might still be limited based on availability. If you run into any issues, double-check your device's system language settings, as they can sometimes override Prime Video's choices. And there you have it. You've just mastered changing the language on Prime Video. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy streaming, everyone. See you in the next one.